You are an iPhone user. Unfortunately, forget the password, trying much more time but never remember. Now, want to remove the passcode? Visit this site, link already added in description box. This is TenosKit iPhone Unlocker Tools, supported both Mac and Windows. Download and install the tool. Now launch it. Connect the iPhone in iTunes mode. Now click Unlock iOS skin. In this interface, please click Start. Now you can see another new interface. Here you find the iPhone model and firmware download option. If you have no firmware download yet, press download button. I have already downloaded the firmware, so I click the firmware package already download to the computer. Browse the file location and choose the file. Now start to processing, need more than 10 minutes for complete. Let's visit the TenosKit site for much more information about the tool. This tool easily factory reset iPhone, iPad without password or Apple ID, supported the latest iPhone 14, 13, 12 and others. Remove any types of user lock, 4-digit, 6-digit password. Remove Apple ID from iPhone or iPad without password. This tool remove MDM from iPhone, iPad without password.